Hello little artist. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. Now, we draw ice cream using circle on the top of the page. Next we draw same semicircle under first one, like that. We draw a straight line. We draw another straight line. And we join this two with a curve. Red color. Green color. Blue color. Yellow color. Black color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.